Turning now to COVID-19 vaccines and the topic of employers requiring them for workers.
Tonight, NBC 26's Eric Kress spoke with legal experts about what your boss can and shouldn't ask you when it comes to vaccinations.
As vaccination opportunities continue to open up, workers are finding themselves reaching out to employment law firms.
I would say it started when the vaccine started, so maybe in December of last year.
Paul Secunda of Walcheski and Luzzi Law Firm says many employees are wondering if they could be legally terminated if they refuse to show proof when requested that they were vaccinated.
Employment for private sector workers is employment at will, which means essentially an employer can terminate an employee for good reason, bad reason, no reason at all.
Of course, an employer couldn't ask for medical history documentation short of a vaccination card proving that you got the shot. But employers also have to be careful when offering incentives to employees who go through with the process.
It could be seen as penalizing another group of employees.
There's a lot of gray area when it comes to the legality of requiring a vaccination for staff, though. But one's religious status and documented disabilities could exempt people from the consequences of not following an employer's vaccination expectations.
If they are going to require vaccination, there are certain obligations that they have to reasonably accommodate those with particular disabilities and with sincerely held religious beliefs.
Nicole Markline, an attorney at CJMM Law Firm, says she fully expects lawsuits to arise after companies roll out vaccination policies in the near future. That's why she believes it's important for those employees to get ahead of the conversation.
An employer can ask for proof of vaccination from an employee. That in and of itself is not a problem.
To make sure that management knows where they stand when it comes to why a vaccination could be detrimental to their faith or health.
I really recommend that every business consult with their employment law attorney first, because it is a very complicated and complex issue.
In Northeast Wisconsin, Eric Kress, NBC 26.